You want to know about introduction of the scholarship, what is the worth of scholarship, how much money you can save, and how much money you can secure for your family, can you support your family, and what is the eligibility criteria, list of the documents you need to apply for, what is the application process, and what is the selection process, how long it will take to know that are you selected for scholarship or not. So in this video, I will cover all the minor and major facts about the scholarship. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. The first point that comes out is how much money you can save and what is the benefits of scholarship. So you will get a specific amount of money. Like for bachelor, you have 2500 RMB. For master, you have 3000 RMB, and for PhD, you have 3500 RMB. So it's a handsome amount, and you can save, and you can also support your family. But it depends on your lifestyle, what kind of lifestyle you adopt. It's totally up to you, like how much money, how you manage your money. That's it. But it's a very handsome amount, you can save a lot. The benefits of scholarship is you have free accommodation, you have free medical insurance, and you don't need to worry about some kind of schooling fees, everything covered by scholarship. Next point comes out that the eligibility criteria of the scholarship. First is your scores. If your CGPA is more than 3 and your scores are more than 60%, you are eligible to apply. As far as the matter of age, if you are applying for master's degree, if you are under 35, you can apply. If you are applying for PhD, you are under 40, you can also apply for it. Next point is the list of documents, what kind of documents you need to apply for scholarship. Before talking to list of documents, I will tell you some important point, that is, whenever you are searching for China, you must use Bing or Internet Explorer browser, because these browsers work well for China. If you use Chrome, whenever you search anything regarding China, you always link with some kind of agents or consultants. So try to avoid these kind of things happen with you. To get original website regarding China, you must use Bing or Internet Explorer, because these work a lot, but Chrome is not working for China. This is the first point. And regarding the list of documents, when you visit the original website of CSC, you can find the list of documents. All the list of documents is mentioned on the website. The link of the website is also mentioned in the description, you can see it. And so the other point is, after completing your documents, list of the documents, you have to apply. So the application is, you have 3 options for CSC, that is 1 category A, category B and category C. Category A, if you are applying under your embassy, under your higher education commission, that is for the people. If you are applying with the help of university, you have some kind of acceptance letter or some other documents regarding to university, you directly apply to category B. And the category C is for MOFCOM students. Those come and by government officials, like these kind of students. So you have to apply for category B or category A. But it's up to you which kind of category. You can see in details on CSC website. So apply for application, you have to apply 2 applications. One is on CSC website and other one is on university website to apply for admission under scholarship program. A lot of students get confused that they just apply on CSC website and they think that they will get the scholarship. How you get the scholarship? Meanwhile, even you don't apply to university for admission. So it's a different thing. CSC is a scholarship council. They help you for scholarship. But university give you admission and under university supervision, you will get a scholarship from CSC. So it's two different things. First you have to apply on CSC website. After CSC website, you have to download their online application form, and then you have to visit your university website, apply to university website, and also upload that CSC scholarship application form to the university website. Okay, so if I talk about university details, every university has their own list of documents. It can be changed regarding to CSC list of documents, because some university require English proficiency certificates. Mostly top ranking universities, they need IELTS, TOEFL or some kind of English language proficiency certificate, or sometimes they need bank statement, some different documents. So you must be clear about that which university you are selecting has the list of documents same as like CSC. So that is the application process. You have to apply on CSC and you have to apply on university website. How you can get acceptance letter, what is the effective way to have an acceptance letter if you are writing a lot of emails but no response and you are confused what you have to write in your email. In my previous video I already explained that how to get acceptance letter in a quick, easy way. It's not very difficult. And as a matter of selecting any university, I also mentioned in my previous video like which kind of university is best for you, what kind of things you have to consider while selecting your university. Instead of looking for any top ranking university or any specific city, you have to be strong and determined regarding your major, that what kind of major you have. According to your major, you have to select your university wisely, because after the other point comes out that what is the deadline to apply for the scholarship, what is the last date to apply. So because you are applying to two different applications, one is CSC, one is university website, so CSC have their different last date and university has their own closing date, last date. So when you mostly CSC close their applications at 31st March. 31st March is the last date to apply for CSC, but every university has their own deadline close their applications. You have to consider every university website before you apply to CSC, because sometimes we consider that CSC has 31st March, so university also has 31st March. No, it's completely different. Mostly top ranking university close their admission earlier in mid of Feb or 20 Feb because of lot of applications. So you must clear that what is the deadline to your university application and your CSC application. That is next point. A lot of students ask me that they don't have acceptance letter. Can they apply? So there is another way that acceptance letter is not mandatory. You can apply without acceptance letter, because benefits of acceptance letter is that if you have acceptance letter, it make you step forward in selection process. It gives you strong edge. Okay, so now I will talk about the selection process, how you get selected for the scholarship. Okay, so if you have acceptance letter, your university can proceed your profiles application. First, if you have acceptance letter, university forward your document to your school. Your ISO forward your document to your school, to your major concerned school, and your school will confirm from your professor if you have. If you don't have professor, school will see if they have seats in their school. They will say yes to ISO, International Student Office. If they don't have seats, they will say no, and your application closed at that moment. Okay, so that's what the benefit of acceptance letter. If you have acceptance letter, your school will contact with your professor to know that Are you willing to accept this candidate? If you don't have, then school will see that how many vacancies they have, how many seats they have for the scholarship. Because maybe other students, a lot of other students have the acceptance letter, they will contact with professor and they will have it. But if you don't have, then school will see if they left some seats or not. If they don't left any seat, your application is closed at the moment, you are not selected. If they have some seats, then they forward your case to ISO, International Student Affairs, that you are selected from the school. ISO will proceed your application to CSC. Then CSC selects whether this university has that number of seats or not, and they will verify your documents and everything. So there is 3 steps. First, school, then your university, International Student Office, then CSC. So next comes out after completing the application, when you know that are you selected for scholarship or not. Regarding that point, you have to link with your university. You have to keep visiting your university profile where you apply, where you generated your profile and upload your documents and submit your application. After that, they provide you your application status. So with the passage of months, you have to keep in touch. Mostly universities select their candidates in the end of June or start of July. You will be confirmed about whether you are selected or not for scholarship in the end of June or start of July. And in August you will get your admission documents and every other thing. In September, if you are selected, you can join the question regarding scholarship. You can most welcome to ask me. I will be very happy to help you. You can pass a comment. I will be very happy to answer to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. As I already told you in my further videos, I will tell you all the aspects and figures of the scholarship in details. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.